putting the 8-inch wheels on the 175 Rotary, I had to get little brackets, little L brackets, and bolt them to the stationary bracket that I had welded on there for the 5-inch wheels. And the only thing that I had a problem with is I had to use individual bolts to hold the wheels on. The rod that I had was not long enough with these wheels. Are a little bit further apart. So the only thing I'm wondering, it seems pretty strong, but the brackets that I mounted the L brackets to are not real thick. Wondering if I need to buy something to bolt between the two lower L areas on the bracket for stability so that the wheels don't concave or bend out. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do I need a bracket in there? Are the wheels, if I set it down wrong, I could tweak it and the wheel could bend in or out. Could end up weakening the weld that I put on there. There's the old 5-inch wheels. Some of you guys saw me get stuck on a staircase where those wheels fit right in there. But see, there's nothing in between here now. So I'm not 100% sure if I should take it out like this or if I should go try to find a bracket and put the bracket in place. I'll probably go to the hardware store tomorrow morning, see what I can find. Let me give it a roll. I'm on a kind of a rocky area, but it's rolling good. Doesn't seem to be flexing much, maybe a little. This is definitely going to make my life a lot easier. I'll be able to bring this 175 upstairs now, and I can just use the Oric for the stairs or use the handle for the stairs, and then use the Oric on smaller jobs or jobs that are pretty much clean. You see what I'm talking about, right? In between there. I almost feel like it would be beneficial to have a bracket in there or a cross there for more support. It definitely looks cool. I mean, the wheels are up off the ground, which is nice. I'll be able to use it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.